Let's look at surveys and how to use them for the JSASSP. Why use surveys? One reason is that they give everyone involved in the school an opportunity to provide feedback for the assessment. During the assessment process, it's possible to speak to and observe only a limited number of people, but surveys give everyone the chance to be heard. The JSASSP includes surveys for families, students, and teachers. These surveys were created for assessors who were scoring all 10 building blocks. Your team may decide to add, eliminate, or revise some of the questions on these surveys, or you can use the surveys as you find them in your materials. The JSASSP surveys were created on SurveyMonkey because of its ease of use, but we are not making a recommendation on behalf of any particular platform. Here are 2 websites that might help you choose which platform you will use. When you post your surveys, it's a good idea to add the logo of the school. You can probably copy it from one of the school's materials and then paste it into the online survey. It will give the survey a more professional appearance. Then write a short explanation for the survey. You can use the one that we've included in our samples or write your own. Start with demographics. For example, our family survey asks questions about grades and years at the synagogue. The teacher survey asks which grades the teacher teaches and how long they have been teaching religious school. And the student survey asks which grade the student is in. We recommend doing this so you can filter the data and look at responses, for example, by grades of the students, or by how long families have been members of the synagogue, or by the responses you get to certain questions. For example, if results suggest that parents are dissatisfied with Hebrew instruction, you could ask, are parents in just a certain grade dissatisfied, or does it run across all grades? Instead of asking simple yes or no questions, follow the format in the survey, which asks for perceptions on a 4-point scale. On this question, we ask about the extent to which respondents agree or disagree with a list of statements. You can use other words that ask questions regarding how often, how satisfied, how important, or simply 4, 3, 2, 1, with 4 representing the top score, such as very satisfied, and 1 indicating the bottom score, such as very dissatisfied. To get as large a response rate as possible, especially for the parent survey, use a variety of strategies for collecting responses. Send links to the survey via email or in the school's regular newsletter. Embed the link to the survey on the school's website. Have computers available in the school office and ask parents to take the survey when they stop by the school. For the student survey, collect responses on devices students may have with them, such as smartphones. Be sure to send reminders and set a due date. Finally, ask the clergy to announce the importance of completing the survey. Share the survey results. You can share a link to the survey results in an email or newsletter, or write an executive summary of the results and then share it. Eventually, you can compare survey results over time to see how well the school is doing toward meeting its goals. Finally, post surveys as early as possible so you'll have the results back in time to use them to inform scoring.